Hello, Audra Lambert here, and welcome to my new listing at 167 Via Galicia in San Clemente, California. And today I'm going to tell you about the top 3 things I just adore about this property. And the first one is the panoramic ocean views and sunset views. And literally every single room in this house gets to enjoy panoramic and ocean views. It's just spectacular. Now, the second thing I love about this property is that it's extremely upgraded. There is not one thing that has been forgotten. The designers who designed this property just did a remarkable job. There's hardwood floors, there's stone finishes, there's custom draperies. I mean, the list just goes on and on. Now, the third thing I love about this property is that its location. It's a standalone unit. There's nobody attached to the property. It's private and it's at the end of the cul-de-sac. You rarely see a property in this location, in this condition. You're going to love it. Thanks for taking this tour. If you have interest in viewing this property, please contact me directly at 949-697-2232. Look forward to seeing you.